What's up, guys? Today, I'm going to show you how to boost your laptop or PC's performance, no extra software or downloads required. This is especially useful if your storage indicator is showing red, as that can really drag down your computer's speed. All you need to do is go to the corner search bar and type run, or simply press the Windows or keys to open this menu. Once the box appears, type %temp%, just like this. After you click OK, you'll see the junk files that have been cluttering up your C drive. These are temporary files created when you use certain softwares. They don't get deleted automatically when you close the apps and just end up sitting on your drive. So, simply select all the files, or press Ctrl A and hit delete. If there are any files that can't be deleted, just skip them. Don't forget to check the box to skip those specific ones. Then, just wait for the deletion process to finish. Once that's done, head over to the C drive, the drive typically used to store software installation files. Right-click on the drive and select Properties, the option at the very bottom. When the pop-up window appears, select Disk Cleanup. In the Disk Cleanup window, check every single box on the left-hand side, don't miss any. After that, select the Disk Cleanup option. Wait for Windows to scan your system. When the next box appears, check all the boxes for the items you want to delete. It will show an estimate of the disk space that will be freed up. Since I perform this cleanup regularly, my freed up space is minimal, only around 90 megabytes, but if you haven't cleaned your system in a long time, it could amount to several gigabytes. Once you've confirmed that everything is checked, click Clean Up System Files. And wait for Windows to remove all the junk files from your computer. Keep in mind that the more files there are to delete, the longer the process will take. Just wait for it to finish, then exit, restart your computer, and check your C drive storage to see if space has been freed up, and notice how much lighter and faster Windows feels.